What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to yet another video. So I am getting ready to go to a event tomorrow. When I'm filming this video, it's Friday. Tomorrow, Saturday, I have to film a event at a car show. So I filmed a lot of different car shows in the past, and if you're into cars, if you're into filming events, I want to show you my setup, so maybe you can be inspired to do the same for yours. What I normally bring to a public event or a shoot like this is a 16 to 35 millimeter lens. Now this is the lens that I always rock for pretty much anything and everything. Now this lens is great because it's an event. For me, I want to capture a wide angle. I want to capture the people. I want to capture the activity that's happening at this event. People walking by, the scenery, buildings, cars especially. This lens is able to get a lot of variety being at 16 millimeters. Obviously the lens has the ability to zoom into 35, and that's still pretty wide, but also a tight focal length as well. When you're at a car show, you want to be able to film the car. So let's say you're close to the car and you want to get a wide angle of the car. You want to get the whole car in frame. Now let's say you have people walking behind you, people chit-chatting, getting in your way, bumping into you, things like that, right? You're able to literally stand in front of the car, zoom out at 16, and pretty much get what you want to get or need to get with being at 16. Now if you're farther away, and let's say you had a longer lens, people may be getting in the way and your field of view is going to mess up everything. Close up and personal with the car at a wide angle, you're able to capture everything that you need to. So the thing about using this camera being that it can crop in certain settings, you don't actually need a 50mm or a tighter lens because it crops in and basically does the job of what a 50mm lens would do. So if I did want to get a closer, tighter shot, I can just change my settings in my camera and it crops in and it basically just does the same exact thing. It's close, it's not the same, but in a pinch, it works. The reason why I'm choosing this is because, yes, I could switch out to a 50mm lens or 70 to 200 lens and get all these completely different varieties of focal length true to those types of lenses. But the thing is if I'm trying to capture something in the moment, I don't really have a lot of time to switch out a lens. Put the front cap on a lens, put the back cap on a lens, put it in the bag, pull out another lens, take off that front cap, take off that back cap, put it onto the camera body, screw it in, and then I just miss my shot. So that being said, I like to be able to run and gun. I like to be able to film, capture, and then get my footage. I don't want to be wasting a lot of time sitting there messing around with little intricacies and then the moment's gone. And that's going to be my setup for on-the-go shooting for this event tomorrow. I just thought I would share this with you if you are a run-and-gun shooter or if you are looking to go vlog or film outside. These are the things that you may want to consider for your camera setup. If you guys have any questions, leave a comment in the comment section down below. Let me know. I'll try to answer them as best as possible. Thanks for watching. It's been real. Keep it real. You know what it is. Deuces.